Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today, we'll look at cable parameters, how they affect your calculations, and what you need to enter to get accurate results. When you click on a cable, its parameters show up in the right column. The first thing to check is the cable length, which is very important. You also need to know what type of cable you have, such as single-core, multi-core, copper, or aluminum. The type of insulation, like PVC or XLPE, and the installation method are important as well. The installation method affects factors such as the amount of current the cable can carry. This follows IEC 60364. If you're unsure about the numbers, don't worry. You can click on Settings to see how the cable is installed, such as overhead, on ladders, or on a perforated tray. There are options like trifold or flat laying, cable ladder systems, cable trays, and the number of circuits. You don't need to remember everything. Just know how your cable is installed and choose the right option. For cable sizing, you'll see values for each phase, the neutral and the protective conductor. Now, when you go into the settings, under Options, you'll see an option for automatic optimization of the neutral conductor. If you check this, the software will automatically size the neutral conductor to half size. For example, if it were 300, it would become 240. These are the essential parameters you need to be aware of. The installation method affects the reduction factors and short-circuit current data. So cable installation is very important. Pay attention to this, and remember that not all cables can fit into a cable trunking. If you try to fit large cables into a cable trunking, the software will split them into many smaller cables to fit. Keep this in mind, as it will affect the system calculations. I hope this information is helpful. Feel free to join us in future videos, where we'll look at other components. Thank you and have a good day.